So this is how you do a split stitch. So bring your needle up at the end of the fabric, and then what you're going to do is going to go along and create your first stitch. Now when you bring the needle up through the fabric to create your second stitch, what you want to do, so if I move this out of the way, so you're going to bring it up in the middle of your first stitch, but what you're going to do is you're going to catch 2 threads either side of the needle. So you can see that, 2 threads either side of the needle, and then pull it through. So you're going to split the stitch and then bring it along to create your second stitch. And then what you're going to do is you're going to bring it back up where the end of your first stitch is. Again, bring it in between 2 stitches or 2 bits of thread either side and pull that through. And then go along a little further to create your third stitch. So keep this out the way again. So bring it up at the end of your second stitch, threading it in between the 2 threads and pulling it tight. And then continue on until you reach the end of your line. I find it easier to pull it sideways and bring it up through the fabric and then slot it through rather than pulling the stitch tight and then trying to catch in between the threads. And bring it down at the end of the row when you reach the end and pull it tight. And there you have a split stitch.